Hey my YouTube loves and welcome back to my channel. Y'all probably saying, where in the heck I been? Well, December has been so crazy for me. So I just want to apologize for kind of stopping on Vlogmas. The next video would explain a lot of the reason why that happened. So be on the lookout for a special video. Some very exciting things is happening in 2019. But I just want to say I'm so sorry for stopping Vlogmas. Uh, yeah, something very exciting popped up, and you guys will find out very soon. And it kind of took me on another path. I had to take care of some things. Then I was sick. Then the family got sick, and y'all know when everybody else is sick, mama got to take care of everybody. So took care of everybody. I'm feeling much better now. But I wanted to get on here and acknowledge some cards that I received and said thank you to some people. During the process of me not vlogging, I did mail out some cards. So I want to discuss that first. I got notes. So I did receive Donna Simmons' card. William and Patrick, I don't want to mess with your last name. I did get y'all a card. Kamisha Jones, I got your card, girl. Lashondra McBride, got your card. And Adventures of David Aaron, I got your card. So every one of those names should have received my card back with looks up the special inside. Adventures of David Aaron, David, guys, I got your card back. So please email me down below. Your card came back to me. I don't want to show y'all address, but you know. See, came back. Card. Fast. Okay, but y'all card came back to me. So if you get this, if you see this video, email me down below. My email address is down below, and I will send you guys a new card when I get your correct address. So those are the cards that I already mailed out. And then I received 4 more cards. So the first card I'm going to go over is from Miss Carol Frank. I got your card. It was very, very, very beautiful. Thank you very much. Because of the holidays is all screwy and mailed up, I did mail out your card on yesterday, which will be Saturday the 29th. So yes, you may not get it to the new year, but I appreciate it and thank you very much for your card. I also got a card from my girl Shelly from Cradle's Journey. It was a cute little card, and I love this card because in a lot of my videos I was drinking coffee in a coffee cup. It is like a cute little coffee cup. And I love hot chocolate. So thank you very much for my beautiful card. And I also mailed your Christmas card out late. But it should be coming in the new year. But it should be, I mailed out on the 29th. I'm recording this video on the 30th of December. So I mailed it out on yesterday. So thank you very much for my card, Shelly. I really appreciate it. Your card is on the way. I also went to my P.O. box yesterday and had 2 more cards in there. So I'm going to get your guys' cards mailed out probably tomorrow, the 31st of December, if not definitely the 2nd of January, to these 2. So Wesley McVeigh, I got your beautiful card. Thank you so much for the wonderful note inside. I really enjoyed the note. And the answer to your question is yes. Okay? So, thank you so very much for this card, and I'll be mailing out your card this week. And last but certainly not least, I got a homemade card, which I saw from their grandma / aunt that they was making me this card, and I got my hands on probably from 2 of my favorite young people I love watching on a grandma auntie channel. This is Edna's from Edna's World, grandson and niece. Okay, we go. They made me a little card with butterflies on it. And y'all know I love the kids, right? Got a home daycare. I love the kids. So, you know, I was just like, I was really excited to get this card. So, Dallas and Corey, if you're watching, thank you so much for my beautiful card. And I'm going to be mailing you guys something extra special. And I'm going to put this card up in my office. I'm on vacation now. So when all my kids come back after vacation, I'm going to show them this beautiful card I got from one of my subscribers because I really, really appreciate it. And I'm going to cherish this card because I love when kids draw me gifts. It's very sweet. So that's it for my Christmas card. I really enjoyed the Christmas card exchange this year. I'm definitely going to do it next year. It was just amazing to see where my subscribers are from and getting in contact with them. So I hope everyone had a wonderful and happy Merry Christmas and have a beautiful New Year. I have so many exciting things coming up in the new year, vacations and life events and life changes that I'm excited to share with you guys. So thank you guys so much for all the support in 2018 and looking forward to an exciting year in 2019. Till the next video, peace, my loves. I love you guys so much. Thank you.